It's the BLACK to the EYE, man. I'm still hustling in the hood. Yeah, this is Tema, man. C2. Oh no, this ain't C2, man. This is Tema Newtown. This ain't Tema Newtown. This is Tema Habo. Yeah, we're still hustling and bustling, man. You know how we do? Yeah. My master is down there, man. He's under the water. Let me go take him, alright? Dang. I beg, make you give me the hammer. The hammer. Charlie. I need them. Imo ama mi. Ama, ikeba. Ni mazime edo. Só já não vai arrumar. Oi. Yeah, and down they go, man. They'll be back in a jiffy. Till then, salido. Alright. So how does it feel to be underwater, man? Yeah, yeah, no. Yeah.
Life and color.
Yeah.
You see, sometimes when you get in a job like this, very dangerous when you have to go in. Because like I was just going when my touch went away. Woo! If you don't know where to pass,
you are lost.
Get lost, and that's the end of the story.
Wow.
Before you go and tackle yourself, if they don't rescue with another divers, they have to send you.
Wow. It was concerned with a very big vessel. More apartments. So
I'm just looking for an apartment just to come out of the first place. It's not easy.
Yeah.
I know.